Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 11 and its title is Pari Mahal. So today we will learn about Pari Mahal. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You should get it or follow it same as it, otherwise you can modify it. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 1, we will learn about the use of question words. Okay, how we can use different question words in our speech and language. Before in English for grade 3 already you have learned about WH question words. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further, recognize the function of different question words. Okay, so today we will cover up our this as follow. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Hajj, verse number 23, indeed Allah will admit those who believe and do righteous deeds to gardens beneath which rivers flow. Subhanallah, my dear students. This beautiful verse is telling us that Allah Almighty will admit those who believe and do good deeds. Righteous deeds means good deeds. They are doing best actions, good actions that Allah Almighty loves to. So Allah Almighty have great gardens for them who are performing good deeds. Okay, so my dear students, have you seen that? Which rivers flow? Who? These two words are there. These are related with WH questions. Today we are going to learn about that. You have to brainstorm your idea. Yes, my dear teacher, you have to get students into pairs and say them to ask questions from their partners, i.e. when do you get up, where do you live, etc. So you will get students in pair and they will inquire about each other's routines, that different questions they will inquire from each other using WH questions. Okay, so pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back, my dear students. Good job. I hope you have used. The question words are like what, who, where, when, why, which. So today we are going to learn about their use. Use of what? We use it about to inquire something. Okay, when we want to inquire about something, anything it can be, so we use word like what are you doing? Okay, another, what is this? Got it? So in this way, when we are inquiring about anything, something, so we use what? So use of who, where we use to inquire about someone. Someone mean, my dear students, like a person. When we are talking, we are inquiring about a person, so we used who, like who is your brother? So brother is a person. Who is in the room means which person or who is in the room, male, female, girl, boy, anyone. So that's why we are inquiring like who is being used for a someone means related, specially person. Use of where. We inquire about place. We use where to inquire about place. Got it? Like where is your school? So it means we are inquiring about location of your school, its place. The next is where is the shopping mall? Definitely it's a place. So we have used there also where. Got it? That we use where to inquire about time. What we use? We use when. Got it? To inquire about time, we use when. When is your birthday? Means in any month, which day, and on which date. When do you go to school? Okay, when do you go to school means it's inquiring about time. Means I go to school in morning. So morning is a time. Got it? Use of which. We inquire about choice. Okay, when we want to discuss about choice, we use which, and which is also used for things also. When we want to inquire about something, anything, like what and which, we can use like which is where is your school and which is your clock, which thing is yours, in this way. And use of why, inquire about reason. When we want to inquire about reason, so we use why. Okay, suppose why are you so sad? So there will be any reason. If anyone is happy, so we can also inquire that why are you so happy? So it means we are inquiring reason. Why were knocking at the door. Okay, why were you knocking at the door? There was a reason. If someone is knocking at the door and you are asking why you were knocking at the door. Got it? So now we are going to perform an activity that we have learned about WH questions. But you have to do, my dear teacher, you have to pair the class, write question words on the board. Okay, and next what you will do, student will interview about each other. After interviewing, each student will ask at least 5 questions from the students in pair. In the next, you have to engage whole class in this activity. So in this way, they will use all question words in this activity. So my dear teachers, pause the video and get this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have done it and you have got that. Also, you have got information about your classmates. So now what you have to do on page number 91, question number 5 is there. Tick the right option for each statement. You have to perform this activity individually on your book. So pause the video and perform this activity on your book. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. Excellent work. So now it's time to homework. Write 10 sentences using question words in your notebook. You will write 10 sentences in your notebook. My dear teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students in printed form and see that how they can make different questions using question words. So what we have learned today, we learned about question words. We learned to use these words according to the questions we are going to ask. So in this way we have covered about this SLO. So I hope you have got that how we can inquire about different situations, different things using question words. Okay, so I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed and you have got about the use of question words. Tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.